first complex number power of I. Example, now I raised to 50. I raised to 50 means now divide 50 by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, remainder is here 2, and quotient is 12. Therefore, I raised to 50 means what? I raised to, right here 50 equal to 4 into 12 plus 2. 4 into 12 plus 2 means I raised to 4 raised to 12 into I square. Now I raised to 4 equal to 1. 1 raised to 12 means 1, and I square is equal to minus 1. Therefore answer is minus 1. Right here minus 1. I raised to minus I raised to 50 means what? 4 into 12 plus 2 means I raised to 4 raised to 12 into I raised to 2 means I raised to square means minus 1. I raised to 50 equal to minus 1. तर इथे आपण 50 ला आधी 4 ने भाग दिलेला आहे. मग 50 बरोबर आपण कसे लिहिणार? 4 गुणिले 12 अधिक 2, भागाकार गेला 12 चा, मग 4 गुणिले 12 आणि त्याच्यात आपण मिसवली बाकी. मग I raised to 4 into 12 plus 2 हेच कसे लिहिणार आपण? I raised to 4 into 12 into I square. Now I raised to 4 is 1. Therefore 1 raised to 12 equal to 1. And I square equal to minus 1. Therefore I raised to 50 is also minus 1. Now I raised to 999. आता इथे 999 ला आपण 4 ने भाग द्यायचा आहे. 4 दोन्ही 8, नंतर 4 त्रिक 12, 4 चौक 16, 4 25, 4 चौक 16, इथे 9 संख्या झाली 39. 4 9 36, बाकी किती उरली? 3. म्हणजे 999 आपण कसे लिहिणार आता? 2 गुणिले 249 अधिक बाकी आहे 3. म्हणजे इथे कसं लिहिणार? I raised to 4 into 249 plus 3 म्हणजे किती होणार? I raised to 4 raised to 249 into, इथे प्लस आहे म्हणून इथं into I raised to क्यूब. पण I raised to 4 किती आहे? 1. मग 1 raised to 249 means 1. मग 1 into I raised to क्यूब किती आहे? minus I. Therefore answer is minus I. Therefore I raised to 999 is equal to minus I. तर ह्या पद्धतीने आपल्याला इथे व्हॅल्यू काढायची आहे. Now I raised to minus 1. I raised to minus 1 means what? 1 divided by I. Now multiply numerator and denominator by I. अंशाला आणि छेदाला आपण I ने गुणू, म्हणजे 1 गुणिले I भागिले I गुणिले I. अंशाला आणि छेदाला आपण काय केलेले? I ने गुणले. मग 1 गुणिले I म्हणजे किती? I. आणि I गुणिले I म्हणजे किती? I चा वर्ग. I स्क्वेअर किती आहे? -1. मग इथे -1 लिहू. म्हणजेच काय? मायनस I. आता I raised raised to minus 2 म्हणजेच काय 1 divided by I square. Now I square is nothing but minus 1. 1 divided by minus 1 म्हणजेच minus 1. मग इथे किती आली व्हॅल्यू minus 1. तर I raised to minus 3. I raised to minus 3 means what? 1 divided by I raised to 3. Now I raised to 3 equal to minus I. Therefore 1 divided by minus I. Now multiply here numerator and denominator by I. Minus I into I means I minus I square. But I square is nothing but minus 1. Therefore I divided by minus 1 means I divided by negative positive means I. Therefore I raised to minus 3 equal to I. तर इथे आपण असं पण करू शकतो. इथेच आपण अंशाला आणि छेदाला इथे आपण I ने काय करू मल्टिप्लाय करू. 1 into I divided by I raised to cube into I म्हणजेच काय होणार आहे I divided by I raised to 4. But I raised to 4 equal to 1. Therefore I divided by 1 means I. Means I raised to minus 3 equal to I. Now I raised to minus 4 means 1 divided by I raised to 4. Now I raised to 4 is 1. 1 divided by 1 equal to 1. Therefore I raised to minus 4 equal to 1. Equal to 1. Now I raised to minus 5 means 1 divided by I raised to 5 means 1 divided by I raised to 4 into I. Now I raised to 4 is 1. Therefore 1 divided by only I. Now 1 divided by I. Now multiply numerator and denominator by I. Therefore I divided by I square means I divided by I square is nothing but minus 1 means minus I. I raised to minus 5 equal to minus I. I raised to minus 5 equal to minus I. Now I raised to minus 6. I raised to minus 6 means 1 divided by I raised to 6 means 1 divided by I raised to 4 into I raised to square. I raised to 4 is 1 and I square is minus 1 means 1 divided by minus 1 means minus 1. I raised to minus 6 means minus 1. I raised to minus 6 equal to minus 1. Now I raised to minus 7 means I raised to 1 divided by I raised to 7 means 1 divided by I raised to 4 into I raised to 3. Now 1 divided by I raised to 4 is 1. 1 into I cube is minus I means 1 divided by minus I. Now here we multiply numerator and denominator by I. So I divided by minus I square. Now I divided by minus 1 means I. Negative positive 1. means I only. I raised to minus 7 means only I. I raised to minus 7 means only I. तर इथे आपल्याला काय समजतं ओव्हरऑल I square is equal to minus 1. Similarly, I raised to minus 2 is also minus 1. I raised to minus 2. नंतर minus I raised to minus 1 minus I. I raised to 3 equal to minus I equal to I raised to minus 1. त्याच्यानंतर I raised to minus 6 is also minus 1. I raised to minus 6. Then I raised to minus 3. I raised to minus 3 equal to I. Equal to I means I raised to 5 also equal to 5I. Now I raised to minus 4. I raised to minus 4 equal to 1. And I raised to 4 is also 1. And I raised to minus 5 is also minus I. And I raised to minus 7 is I. I raised to minus 7 is also I. Remark. In general, I raised to 4m equal to 1. And I raised to 4m plus 1 equal to I. I raised to 4m plus 2 equal to minus 1. I raised to 4m plus I minus I.